Hello guys, have you ever wondered why the restaurant aloo parathas are tastier than what we make at home? You want to know how? Let's begin. I am taking a large potato cut into big pieces like this. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and we will cook it in 4 to 5 whistles. This is a unique recipe for making restaurant style aloo parathas. Into 4 bowls of pure wheat flour, I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Mix it well. Here I am using pure wheat flour. In restaurants they use maida. Now I am adding half a glass of normal water. Mix it well. We will need a soft dough. After our dough is ready, I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of oil and mix it again. Wheat dough should be soft like this. Now we will cover it and rest it for 1 hour. After the dough is ready, we now need boiled potato. I have peeled them off. We will crush it. Red chili powder, salt, garam masala, amchur masala, that is dry mango powder, green chilies 4, chopped coriander leaves chopped, 1 large onion chopped, kasuri methi and oil. We will first heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is heated, we will now put jeera, that's cumin seeds, one teaspoon of S-fetida, then we will add chopped onions. We will saute until brown. Now till the time onion fries, we will add dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon, kasuri methi 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 tablespoon, three teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We will smash the potatoes and mix it well. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. After adding salt, now we will add green chilies. We are adding green chilies at the last because it will give a very raw flavor to the aloo paratha. Just saute for half a minute and we will now add the potato mixture. Now mix well. If you want to add turmeric powder, it is optional. You may add chaat masala in place of dry mango powder. Once properly mixed, we will now add coriander leaves. Now we will switch off the flame and keep this mixture for cooling. I am keeping tawa for preheating. Now we will start rolling the aloo parathas. Now our wheat dough is ready. Our potato onion mixture is also ready. We need wheat flour for dusting and oil. Let's begin. Apply some oil in your palm. Now take a roll from wheat flour. Again dip fingers into the oil and try and make a bowl shape with your hands. Press gently Now we will put a roll of potato onion mixture. Make a round like this nicely and put it in the bowl. Now we will try to cover it from all the sides. If you find mixture is little extra, then you may remove it. Try to close from all the sides. Now press gently between your palms. We will keep flattening it by hands as much as possible. Now we will dust with wheat flour on both the sides and start rolling. Roll it with gentle hands. Because our wheat dough was little loose than normal roti dough, it is very easy to roll. We'll roll it into thin paratha. Now we will put it on tawa. Aloo paratha is now rolled and ready. We will now put it on tawa. Just look at that, it's nice and fluffy. Yummy restaurant style aloo parathas are now ready. You can serve it with curd, pickle or chutney. Friends, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Falguni Vidwans. Thank you.